Hi kids, Miss Debbie here today at Fountaindale Library. It's the first week of March and Dr. Seuss's birthday is March 2nd. So I took a little cue from his books and I created a little one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish inspired craft. So I just wanted to show you if you remember this classic, and then we have his whole collection here at the library. So stop in and get a few books and let's get started on our craft. So when you stop in to get your kit at the library, you're going to get your bag full of goodies. You'll have your big blue piece of paper, your piece of paper for your red fish and your blue fish, your little sign that you can use if you'd like. Of course, our instructions that has step-by-step origami. And then you have our fun little things, the Google eyes and the sparkly things and the seashells, and our fun pipe cleaners too that you can create with. So so the biggest part of this video is going to teach you how to do the origami fish. Now remember, if you don't want to do the origami fish, you could just draw a fish on the paper and cut it out too. But this is pretty simple. I'm not very good at origami, and I figured out how to do it. So I'd like to show you how to do it. And like I said, in our instructions are step-by-step pictures, okay? So I'm even going to use some of those as I go along. How about that? So we're going to have our piece of paper like this, and we're going to fold it up like that. See how that works? Okay. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to fold it like this. And then you're going to turn it over. So you see how it raises up because you folded it that way? Okay. So then we're going to turn it square, and we're going to fold it up to the top like this. And we're going to spin it around, and we're going to fold it up to the top like that. So see now how it looks all like that? Okay, now we're going to turn it over again and kind of push down in the middle when you turn it over. And then these two pieces come up really easy in the middle, and you smash it down. Get those two pieces up in the middle, and you smash it down like that. And it's kind of looking like a fish now, isn't it? So then the next part is to just below the fold, kind of bring it up so it goes just past the fold. Bring the bottom one up to you, okay? And you're going to unfold that one, and then you're going to bring this one down to kind of where you creased it there, okay? And we're going to bring that one down there. And we're going to leave that one there, and we're going to fold it up like that. And then when you flip it over, holy cow, that looks like our red fish, doesn't it? That's right. So let's do that again a little bit faster. We're going to put your thing up like that. And we're going to spin it around, and we're going to do our fold like that. Open it up again, and we're going to turn it over, right? And we're going to square it up. And we're going to put our fish like this, our paper like that, and then open it up again, turn it, fold it like that, open it up again, flip it over, and remember we want to kind of put it down in the middle so we know which pieces will fold together really easy, like that. See how I pinch that? And then we're going to push it down. Okay, so spin it around like that. We're going to push it up just about there. And then we're going to undo that one. We're going to bring it down to this one, fold it, and bring it up. And both the other one back up. Okay, we have our red fish. We have our blue fish. So in our kit we have, oh, I forgot to show you what you should have. So you should have some markers on hand, some tape. I have two kinds of glue. I've got my glue stick and my liquid glue. I've got my scissors to cut my pipe cleaners. And you could either tape or punch holes to make your little hanger for the top, like this. Okay, so you go ahead and arrange your pieces on your fish. You can decorate your fish like I did here. I put the colors on, I put the things, so I laid all my pieces out and arranged them. I even did some squigglies on the paper with my markers, and I just cut the pipe cleaners out with my scissors, and I scrolled them around there, and you just lay it all out, glue it all down, and you'll have your own. And then I taped my hanger back on like this, but you could put hole punches in it and tie it on. So whatever you want to do with your fish, have fun with it. I hope you had fun creating your own version of the one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish craft. Take some pictures and send it to us at the library. We'd love to see what you created. See you next time. Bye-bye.